subscribers. I welcome you back to another show from Dine's Kitchen channel. Now today I have a smoothie that I want to share with you. The superfood in this smoothie is pumpkin seed. Pumpkin seed is a vital nutrient for our body, especially males out there. I'll share with you some important benefits of pumpkin seed. Now, viewers and subscribers, as you view my videos, please like the videos, subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed as yet, and I so appreciate your support. Let's get into making this delicious and nutritious drink. So you will need a blender or a ninja bullet to make this drink. I'm using a ninja bullet, right? So I'll add some peanut punch. Then 1 cup of oats. Two tablespoons of pumpkin seed. A little dragon stout. Some cinnamon powder, about a teaspoon. And a teaspoon of nutmeg. Here I am going to add some honey. One tablespoon of honey. I'll add the remainder of the oats and the peanut punch. And some ice. And blend away. The three important benefits of pumpkin seed are: it is rich in vitamins and minerals like magnesium and vitamin K, both of which are important in helping wounds heal. It contains zinc, a mineral that helps the immune system fight bacteria and viruses. This one is so interesting. Take note of this, men. It's high in antioxidants and other nutrients that can contribute to healthy testosterone levels and improve fertility levels and reproductive function, especially in men. So men, you need to make this drink. So guys, this is a juice. Now this is fun part of it, to have my pumpkin seed drink, sorry. I can tell you, it is nutritious, it is delicious. Men, go ahead. Ladies, go ahead, make this drink. I know you will enjoy it. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. One love.